Hello everyone, I am Piyush Vairade. So in the last video, I have discussed that the syllabus of GATE 2024 DA paper, that is Data Science Artificial Intelligence paper, and what are the scope and opportunities after the GATE DA, right? I have also posted one post on LinkedIn like 2 days back, and I have mentioned the same thing in the LinkedIn post, right? So my post was also focusing on the non-CS IT student. If you observe, last video was also focusing mostly on non-CS IT student. Like a few students have messaged me on LinkedIn whether the CS student should appear for GATE DA or not. Okay, let's see the syllabus of computer science and data science, and let's compare it. Right now, if you observe this carefully, this computer science syllabus, right? So here you can see linear algebra is there, which is having topics like matrices, determinant, array decomposition, calculus part is there, and probability and statistics is there. Now, if you go back to the data science syllabus, here you can see linear algebra, right? So eigenvalues, eigenvectors is there, right? Then determinant, rank, array decomposition, and few different types of matrices is also there. Same calculus part, okay? Everything is covered, only this is extra, right? And in the probability and statistics part also, like most of the things are covered, right? So if you observe random variables, uniform, normal, exponential, Poisson, and binomial distribution, and mean, mode, median, right? Here also you can see, right? Bayes theorem, conditional expectation, mean, mode, median, right? Here you can see uniform, Bernoulli's binomial distribution. So yeah, like few topics are there, and few topics are extra in the probability and statistic part also. Now, if you observe next, that is programming in data such as algorithm. So this part is same mostly, right, in computer science. Also, we have DBMS subject in CS. If you observe, if you see the DBMS syllabus here, you can see databases. Only transaction and concurrency part is extra in the computer science syllabus. Here you can see instead of transaction part, they have added database warehousing. But the concept will remain the same. If you understand the concept of database management system, it will help you to understand the concept of warehousing. Okay, so that's not an issue. But there are two sections, that is machine learning and AI, which is new for CS student. Maybe in few of the colleges, this subject is offered as a elective, so those who have taken those, so they will be familiar with the concept. Most of the universities still follow the conventional syllabus, right? So these two topics are new for you, right? So if you observe, I would say 50% syllabus is same, right? Of CS and DA paper, right? So I would suggest you to go for CS paper if you have already started your preparation, right? Going through the syllabus. If you already started your preparation for CS paper, right? So keep uh, working on that and take CS as a first paper only. But at the same time, you should definitely take DA paper as a second paper. Okay. So there is no harm of giving an attempt to this particular paper. So take this DA paper as a second paper and just attempt it, right? Because anyway, you are also will be eligible for MTech in data science or whatever the opportunities will come through DA, you will be eligible for that, right? So that's not an issue for you. So better to focus on CS course gate paper, because other than data science and AI also, like many branches are there in the IITs. So there also you can do your masters, right? So it does not matter, right? So that's why I didn't focus much on the CS branch in my previous video, because for them, like I would suggest to focus on CS subject only, right? And definitely you have to give the attempt. So there is no doubt you have to give the attempt, right? Enroll for this paper, give it an attempt. If you already started the preparation for CS, okay, so that is fine. So you can just give 4 5 hours per week. Just go through the extra part, that is these two sections. Focus on these two sections. So you can you will get a decent mark in the DA paper. But try to focus on a CS paper, right? So if you are going for MTech. But if you are interested in research, like if you want to do MS or PhD from IITs, qualifying DA paper will boost your chances in research, right? So in many IITs, so few IITs directly take the student based on the MS course. You conduct the interviews, and during interviews also they they usually give 20% weightage to the gate score, right? If you have both CS and DA paper score, so it will really boost your chances. So I would strongly recommend you to attempt for this DA paper, but focus more on CS subject if you have already prepared if you already started preparation, right? But if you really want to do MTech in data science, or you want to explore your career in that, okay, so yes, and you have not started the preparation, so definitely you can go. But I personally suggest you to go for CS paper only, because anyway you will be eligible for both data science and AI branches also, right? So you can take the courses from that. So that's it from my side. So I would strongly recommend you to go for CS, and yeah, definitely attempt the DA paper, right? So attempting a DA paper will, yeah, it will boost your chances only, right? So just focus like few hours you can give per week for this PA paper, but focus on the CS part, right? So that's my view. Yeah, that's it from my side. Yeah, thank you.